Hi everyone, my name is David Kandia. Today we are going to look at lists and working with this specific tool called series. We will, to go to series, you go to the home tab, go to this arrow down here and click on series. You can get auto list in Excel. Remember, you can start say an auto list by typing the first three numbers or the first two numbers, and you can pull down so that you can get it that way. You can also build a series with dates where you type the first day or the second day of the week or then you pull it down. You could also start with the first day of the month or any month and pull it down. Now picture this. Assume I wanted an auto list from the first day, or say the number 1 to say 100. You can start by typing 1, then go to the home tab, then go to file, then go to series. Then you'd say I want this series in a column, and the step value is 1, as in 1, 2, 3, 4, and the stop value is at 100. Then you click like that, and you can see that by going down to 100. You can also build dates, so that if my first day of the year is 2019 and I want to the year 2025, I'd go to series, then make a pattern, then this time around I want it in a column, but I want a date. So the step value is 1 and the stop value is the last day of 2025. So 12 stroke 31 stroke 2025. Then click OK, and you can get that right to the year 2025. You can also build could be dates, could be months. The other things that you can build is linear growth, date, and autofill. If you click on the date, you're able to build the date, the weekday, the month, and the year. Thank you for watching. My name is David Kandia.